this thinking. Is 358 greater than 729? Is 358 less than 729? If I'm looking at my picture, and let me look at Lily's, Lily did a great job. How's yours doing at home? She has lovely visual here. Good evidence of understanding. Just looking at her picture, I can tell you right now, will I be looking at the ones place? Am I going to be looking at how many tens that number has? I hope you guys are thinking, no, Mrs. Seitz, we're math monsters. We look at the 100. It's a 3-digit number. Is this the greater number? It is, my friends. 358 has fewer hundreds. That really makes a big difference. When you're working on the homework at home, make a visual when you're working on those comparison. Those are okay to make a visual for. Those comparison pages that are coming up next. See that you did a visual when you might have been confused, okay? And when you're adding numbers together using the idea of having 100 plus 1, remember it can't be 110. We know that. It's just a 1. So that one goes right there. Friends, I'm going to share a quick game with you that you can do at home. And my friend Lily is going to sit right here. Friends, it's called the 3-digit, I'm going to make up a name right now, the 3-digit challenge. Now, I told you that I have a deck of cards that I just took all the face cards out, and I can use this to play like games like Tens Go Fish. I taught you how you could use this to do doubles bump. What about if I wanted to play this game and I wanted to do it instead where I'm going to challenge my partner and see who's got the greater 3-digit number? This is great. This I do not want to use because, you guys, this really stands for ones. This I don't think is a good representation of what we could do for place value because this is 7 ones. To me, it's 7 ones, it's 7 ones. But if I had cards like this where I just have the number like this, that means wherever I put this number in a digit, then it becomes that number. So if this 6 is sitting in the hundreds place, it's 600. If this 6 is sitting in the tens place, it's 60. I heard you. And if it's sitting in the ones place, it's going to be 6. So what could I do at home to do this game? Friends, look at my white cards. I just made them up really fast. Lickety split. Not a big deal. I'm a mathematician. That's me. Friends, I took paper, cut it up in little squares, and I put all the numbers on there from 0 to 9. Because the 10 right away, if I put a 10 on here, that 10's going to go in the tens place. I knew that. So I decided I'll make up my own cards. In case you guys don't have them at home, do something like this. I put my deck of cards in between me and my partner, my little math monster, Miss Lily. So Lily and I are going to take 3 cards off the top. I'm going to take a card. Let me see. 1, 2, and 3. And then my friend Lily's going to take 3 cards. And she is going to build the largest 3-digit number she can using the 3 cards she has. I am going to build mine as well. And we will decide who the winner chicken is. Well, chicken dinner. I'm making potato soup today, but chicken dinner sounds good too. All right, so I'm going to put my numbers down. Lily's doing the same. All right. Oh my goodness, where am I going to put that? I'm like thinking to myself, friends, really, honestly, I've got a 4, a 3, and a 5.
All done.
Oh, you are done. Your number looks great. I don't know if I can beat her number. I don't have a number that I can have greater than 5 to beat her 700, but I'm just going to do my best. Should I put my 3 for 534? No. Boop. Lily, what's your number?
760.
Mine is 543. Lily, how do you know that you won?
Because the 7 is in the hundreds place, and that's bigger than your number 5.
That's in the hundreds place. She's right. What a little math monster. Thank you. All right, friends, that means I give her all of my cards. She keeps hers. And the game goes on. Friends, you can keep doing this if you want to. It's a great opportunity to look at 3-digit numbers, okay? And knowing how to compare them. Friends, make those visuals. Do those clocks. Stay with it. I love you. I miss you. I'm hoping everything is fantastic with you. Mathematicians!